Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's Carrie the Chemist here, and I'm just doing a lot of facial self-care, and I'm going to try this new facial skin scrubber. So this is what it looks like on the box. It came in this cute little box, and this is what it looks like. So it has a power button, then it has like a cleanser, it has a lifting, and then it has like iron added and iron minus. So it has like 4 different functions, and it has 2 different types of attachments where they're the same thing, but you can change them up. And one side is like wavy and one side is more like that, and you can change these up, and these will just rub against the skin to remove all those dead cells, so you can use it as a cleanser. And for the lifting, you will just use the metal end and kind of move it against the skin. So I think I'm going to do the cleanser and see how I like this product. I would like to review this product, so if I like it, I'll let you guys know, and you can get a chance to win this product if you watch, like, and comment to this video. I'll order one especially for the winner, and you can try this out at home. So this is just mine, and I'm going to show you what it does, and if you like it and you do all the things that I requested, then you get a chance to win it. Okay guys, so let's go into the video. User guide, power on. So I charged this overnight, so it should be ready to go. It says for ultrasonic facial cleansing, you're gonna turn it on, wet the face, apply the facial cleanser to maintain the face to be in a moist status. Then you're gonna choose the cleaning mode, and the spade surface will face inside. So this is the spade surface you're talking about. Inside, like so. You can twist it like that, and then we'll move slowly in close contact with the facial skin. The instrument will stay in contact with the area for every 5 to 10 seconds. You just don't want to set it at one position, but you want to move it around, pretty much that's what that is saying. And then you can use this up to 3 to 5 minutes every night after cleansing the face. Alright, so wet the face and apply the facial cleanser for the first step. So I'm going to attach one of these ends to my thing like that. So it was just the metal, and now I'm applying one of these sleeves that fits snugly over that. And then I'm going to wet my face and put some cleanser on there, and then use this to clean the face. Okay. So remember, there is that first option for cleansing. Alright, let's go. So I have wet the face and applied my Cereva foaming cleanser. CeraVe foaming cleanser. And then I'm gonna press my on button. Okay. Okay. So now that I've hold it in position, then the cleansing one stays on. So it's pulsating, like there's vibration going on. face. So you have to hold it down and then it turns it up. So I think I'm gonna wet my face some more because when it gets dry it's a bit irritating. So turn it on by holding it down. Hold it on, all of them come on when you hold it down like that. And then again. So now I've turned it around to the other surface. I do have a purifying toner, which is vitamin C and acai berry. My cotton pad here. So I've really saturated a cotton pad. I'm just gonna go in with it. Applied my toner.